Oh guys, mayang gabi na guys. O mayang Pasko diha. Yung tanan.
Ginagawa mo.
Christmas. Dito guys. Kainin nila guys. Litos guys, ganito guys. Ito guys, marami magkuha itong vitamina guys. Yung litos. Pagkaya ito guys, lagyan mo ng mayinis guys. Ito guys. Sarap ito guys. Dito lang guys.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ang sarap na. Ang sarap na guys. Ayan ko. Ang dami guys. Para akong kambing ito guys. Kumakain ng litos guys. Kasi papalusog ito guys. So maraming vitamina makuha ito guys. May litos. Thank you for watching guys. Oh, God bless. Matang tanan. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.